Hello, I'm going to show you how you could do your video with very low technology. I have here a book and a piece of paper, tape over here, and some markers. And that's all you need for your video. So I'm going to make up my quadratic function in vertex form. It's going to be y is equal to 3 times x minus 1 squared minus 2. That's my quadratic function in the vertex form. Now I have to go ahead and show how to find the 5 main features and how to sketch it. So I'm going to begin by saying what the vertex is. This is in vertex form, so we can see easily that is at 1, negative 2. So I can also write the equation for the axis of symmetry is x equals 1. Now the concavity is positive because 3 is greater than 0, so this is going to be the shape of my quadratic. To find the y-intercept, I need to find the value of the function evaluated at 0. So that's going to be 3 times 0 minus 1 squared minus 2. This is 3 times 1 minus 2, so it's 1. So the y-intercept has coordinates 0, 1. Now we're going to find the x-intercept, if there are any. And those are going to be the values of x that make the function to be equal to 0. So I need to solve for x, so I'm going to say that 3 times x minus 1 squared is equal to 2. This is true if and only if x minus 1 squared is equal to 2/3. And this is true if and only if x minus 1 is either plus or minus square root of 2 over 3. So x has to be 1 plus or minus square root of 3 over 2. So we have over here two options for the x-intercept. 0, 1 plus square root of, it's 2 over 3. I'd switch them here. Or 0, 1 minus square root of 2 over 3. So now let's go ahead and sketch the quadratic function. I have my axis. I'm going to show where it is the vertex at 1, negative 2. And in the vertex, I have a little smile to remember that it has positive concavity. I have the axis of symmetry. X equals 1. That's also in my picture. And now the y-intercept at the point 0, 1. And the x-intercepts at some values that are a bit complicated to write down, so I'm just gonna find more or less where they are. And now I'm gonna go ahead and sketch my parabola. Okay, this isn't painted nicely. Like this. There you go. This is y equals 3 times x minus 1 squared minus 2. My work is ready.